Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, I'll explain additional costs landlords face in Japan.
Many foreign property owners are surprised by the preparation required before renting out property in Japan. In many cases, the property cannot be rented immediately after purchase. First, renovation and repairs. Landlords often need to replace wallpaper, repair damage, or clean the unit. These costs are usually paid by the landlord. Proper condition is important to attract tenants. Second, key replacement. In Japan, changing the key is standard practice when a new tenant moves in. This helps ensure security and peace of mind. The cost is often paid by the tenant, but it must still be arranged before move-in. Third, cleaning and preparation costs. Professional cleaning, inspection, or disinfection may be required depending on the property. These costs vary, but they are common in the Japanese rental market. Understanding these preparation costs is important for property owners. Proper preparation helps reduce vacancy and attract reliable tenants.
To learn more about property in Fukuoka, please check the link below.